Welcome. My name is Julieta Nimichan Torres. I'm a student of the third semester of architecture in Tecnológico de Monterrey campus, Estado de Mexico. Today, we're talking about a very interesting building, the Vanel Fabric. This video is aligned to the subject of the conceptualization of space, its theory and its history, in which we saw many buildings and we understanding because of the styles that we saw in all the course. The objective of this video is to talk about why this building was revolutionary for the time. Spoiler, it was designed to the help of the workers in industry, a thing that wasn't seen in any other fabric of the time. Traveling to Rotterdam, Netherlands in the 1920s, the Vanel Fabric was designed by Brickman and Van Delbach. This building is a perfect example of the new objectivity, a movement that was aligned with international styles that prioritize functionality, clear structure, and technological optimism, rejecting unnecessary decoration. As we see in the image, the building is divided into two rectangular blocks. The purple model, the tallest one, was for the production of tobacco. The green model, the medium one, was for the coffee, and the pink one, the smallest model, was for the production of tea. The yellow block was for the distribution of these three products, and the blue model is one of the semicircular for the office, breaking the rectangular form from the production of products to an organic form to be more friendly to the office workers. As I mentioned in the form, the function was to produce these three products, tobacco, coffee, and tea. But nowadays, this function has changed and is the house of many small businesses specializing in design. Talking about the space, this follows a linear and functional layout. It's complemented by a direct and clear circulation to improve the efficiency of the production in the fabric. The three main materials used in the construction were the reinforced concrete, mainly for the pillars, the steel for the secondary structure, mainly in curtain wall frames, which together with the glass, used mainly on the facade, form these three models. The structure relies on a strong reinforced concrete skeleton, which allows the removal of low burning walls. This way, the building weight is held up by a grid of columns. A major new feature was to use the mushroom columns, named for the wider tops. These special designs not only made the structure stronger, it also allowed to be wider the spaces between the columns. As a result, the building have open floor plans with a very structural interface to provide maximum flexibility for the factory and the production. Its influences were because it was designed under the principle of the Bauhaus and the international style. And with the new objective movement that reject ornamental excess, this focus was on functionality, clarity, and honesty. Its contribution was because the design was so pure and rigorously that gave rise to the modern functionalism, establishing utility and structural clarity as the goal of the style. This influence turned away the historical decoration to a rational, industrial, and efficient future setting modern construction of the world wild. Principal criticism was due to the radical commitment of the functionalism. This means that the factory have an absence of traditional aesthetical style. The concept was the form follows the function, but was too sterile and impersonal that for many was simply boring. This means that the efficiency has taken over the art, resulting on a work of engineering but failing to capture people's interest. To resume, the Vanel Fabric revolutionized industrial architecture by prioritizing the human factor. It used glass facade to fill somber spaces with light, successfully uniting function and comfort. It was an innovative design that dignified labor and improved productivity.